Reclamation Site 2 is a long, fenced stretch of land in West Athens, a place many residents pass every day, but few are invited to use. Located in Census Tract 6017, this site sits at the intersection of extreme heat, flooding, air pollution, and long-standing environmental inequities. This project asks, what if this neglected space became a living system, one that cools the neighborhood, cleans the air, manages water, and restores ecological and community health? Today, nearly 100% of this neighborhood lacks tree canopy. Summer land surface temperatures reach over 109 degrees, while more than 3/4 of the land is covered by impervious concrete and asphalt. Over 20% of properties are already exposed to flooding, a number projected to grow as climate pressures increase. Air pollution adds another layer of risk, with particulate levels exceeding health guidelines and asthma rates among the highest in the county. These conditions are the result of decades of disinvestment, redlining, and the erasure of indigenous land stewardship practices. Before urbanization, this area was part of a Tongva-managed landscape, shaped by seasonal water flows, oak woodlands, and native plant systems that naturally regulated heat and water. Today, the community is predominantly renters, families, and youth, populations facing the greatest climate risk. And yet, over 90% of this site has restoration potential. Reclamation Site 2 is designed as a networked ecosystem, not a single intervention. Linear bioswales capture stormwater, reduce flood risk, and filter pollution. Soil is rebuilt using biochar, compost, and mycorrhizal networks, allowing native plants to survive on compacted urban ground. Coast live oaks, sage, buckwheat, and riparian plants provide shade, cooling, and biodiversity, while maintaining safety and visibility. On-site VR and XR stations allow residents to step into simulations of the site, adjusting shade, water, and plant systems in real time. Sensors track temperature, air quality, soil moisture, and biodiversity, allowing the landscape to adapt over time. Residents are credited as co-designers, building long-term stewardship and local ownership. Reclamation Site 2 is more than a single project. It shows how neglected urban land can become climate infrastructure, rooted in history, guided by data, and shaped by community leadership.
As we enter through the gate, you'll begin to see how the park was transformed. Along the fence, you'll see a stone garden created in Rhino and refined in twin motion. Native succulents and desert plants are arranged for low-water sustainability. The fence and sidewalk textures replicate the actual environment captured on site. Here, benches are designed to provide shade as part of the Shade LA project. They reduce heat exposure throughout the park and make it more comfortable for visitors. The sign along the fence was created digitally and implemented with Unreal Engine. It appears when 3 special rocks are placed in certain positions to light up the Fibonacci spiral. 2 other signs also appear behind you that give you more information about the project and its goals.